A breastfeeding kiosk was installed today at Bethany Hospital, Nongrim Hills by the Inner Wheel Club of Shillong. Speaking as a chief guest, District Medical Health Officer Dr. Adrina Lingdo said that setting up a kiosk has eliminated one of the barriers of achieving exclusive breastfeeding. Lingdo stressed on the first hour initiation of breastfeeding. Speaking on the occasion, consultant pediatrician of Bethany Hospital Dr. Uma Ghosh highlighted the importance of breastfeeding, saying that it is beneficial for both mother and child.
For which I request our chief guest, Dr. Our club president, Mrs. Rashi Vaswani, to kindly address
Very own Mrs. Silo and her family members.
But there is a difference when it comes to the type of health delivery in the other countries, which I felt that we cannot emulate that the same way, but at least we can change our approach or our understanding of the young people. And we do have a program for the RKSD, Rashtriya Kishore Swasthya Karyakram, which focuses on the age group of 10 to 19. And this is also another important issue which I felt that every citizen of this, of this state of Meghalaya should take, a kind of a serious note on where we are going as a society.